A sales pitch without a video would be like a knight without a sword. I wouldn't fancy that knight's chances in battle. So, do you want to move past your competitors and get your sales numbers looking wonderful? Well, good, because this is the video for you. More people are going to discover your brand or product or service when you start utilizing the most shareable form of content. If you apply this to products on your website and do some engaging product videos, you're immediately one step ahead of the competition. This is because product videos, whilst they can't allow the customer to touch the actual product for themselves, they can do the next best thing, which is showing the product being used. Not only that, product videos can also explain a product's benefits in a clear and concise manner and demonstrate a product's capabilities. Huzzah! Explainer videos. Well, explainer videos are essentially what they say they are. They allow sales teams to highlight what it is that they can offer in a succinct and engaging way. If there's a complicated process that may take a while to go through, an explainer video really might be the secret sauce. Other videos are case studies and testimonials. Everybody understands the importance of reviews. I leave a lot of Google reviews everywhere I go because I just love to take pictures of my food. But video testimonials is the next level up from reviews. If people can actively see somebody waxing lyrical about you, an element of trust is created. Aside from that, if you can show your product or service in action and real life examples of people using it, then you're winning. Sales and marketing. Marketing departments should be using video all over your company website and social media channels to generate leads. If they aren't, sack them. Only joking, they're lovely people. But if they aren't, as a salesperson, you need to get them onto it ASAP. What does this all eventually do? Well, you guessed it, it increases sales. Tips. What do your customers want to see? Put yourself in the mind of the consumer. If you were going to buy something, think about how you would like to see it in action or what important features you want to show. Keep it succinct as possible. Don't drag it out and run the risk of boring everyone. Show off the key bits and don't try to fill in time. Acknowledge pain points. You should have a decent idea of what your customer pain points are. What problem are they trying to solve? Acknowledge it and answer the question on how you can help. Include a call to action. Don't just end the video. A simple splash screen at the end of the video will be a good enough call to action to encourage people to get in touch and carry on the conversation. So that's everything that I wanted to talk about. Hopefully this answers the question, and thanks for listening.